What are the birds doing? The eagle is flying. The crow is drinking. The flamingo is standing. The parrot is talking. The penguin is swimming. The pelican is eating. The owl is sleeping. The duck is splashing. The rooster is singing. The robin is building a nest. The woodpecker is pecking. The ostrich is running.